Good morning, students of class 10. In the period of mathematics, we will start solving the exercise 1 of similarity. In question number 1, this question states that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR such that angle A equal to angle P and angle B equal to angle Q. These informations are given because it is written triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So from this is the property, two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. So from a criterion of similarity, these two triangles are similar. Now we are asked to find the ratio of these two areas, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. The ratio, as you know, the ratio is written in this form: area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. If Roman number 1, if PQ equal to 12 centimeter and AB equal to 16 centimeter. This is the question. If these two lengths are given, PQ and AB are given, we are asked to find the ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Rule says, if we find the ratios of areas of these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, then we write the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. AB is the side of triangle ABC, so AB will be written as the numerator. PQ is the side of triangle PQR, so PQ will be written as the denominator, square of this. This is the rule. If we find area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR, in other words, the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR, for that we do the square of the ratio of their two corresponding sides. AB is the side of ABC and PQ is the side of triangle PQR. So AB by PQ whole square. Now we put the values. AB is 16 centimeter by PQ is 12 centimeter. This much whole square. Centimeter cancelled. 4 4 ja, 4 3 ja. So what are we getting? 4 square 16, 3 square 9. So the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 by 9. This became the answer. Now we come to, this was question number A. We come to question number C. In question number C, we have AB equal to 2 meter and PQ equal to 20 centimeter. So what will the ratio of these two areas? We write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to ratio square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, ratio of their corresponding sides, AB by PQ, square of this. We keep the values. This is 2 meter by 20 centimeter whole square. Now take precaution at this place. This unit of numerator is different and unit of denominator is different. Unit of numerator is meter and unit of denominator is centimeter. So we change meter into centimeter. For that we multiply it by 100 to change into centimeter. So we get 200 centimeter by 20 centimeter whole square. This centimeter cancelled, 10 10 cancelled, and this 10, so this became 100 by 1, or we can write only 100. Here if it is not visible, I am writing here, we can write only 100. So this became the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and triangle PQR if AB equal to 2 meter and PQ equal to 20 centimeter. In question number 1E, the ratio of these two corresponding sides are given 11:13, and we are asked to find the ratio of the areas of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. As you know, AB is the side of ABC, so this 13 will be written as the numerator, and at first we write the square of ratio of the corresponding sides AB by PQ whole square. Then we write the value of AB, that is 13 by 11, this much whole square. So it became 169 by 121. We come to question number question number G. In question number G, we have PR is to AC, that is equal to 17:15, and we are asked to find the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. For that, square of the ratio of corresponding sides ABC and PQR. AC is the side of ABC, PR is the side of PQR, square of this ratio. Now put the values, 15 as the numerator, 17 as the denominator. As we simplify it, we get 225 by 17 into 17. 289. This became the ratio of triangle AB, ratio of areas of triangle ABC and triangle PQR if PR is to AC equal to 17:15. In question number 2, given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR such that angle A equal to angle P and angle B equal to angle Q. Means two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR from AA criterion of similarity. Now answer the following questions. In question number A, if area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to 625 by 256, it means the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR is given, that is 625 by 256. Then we are asked to find PQ by AB. Now we write the solution. As you have practiced in question number 1, that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides, that is AB is the side of triangle ABC and PQ is the side of triangle PQR, square of this. Now what are you saying? This ratio is given, that is 625 by 256 is equal to AB by PQ whole square. Simply I kept the value of this ratio here, that is 625 by 256 equal to AB by PQ whole square equal to AB by PQ whole square. Now if you omit the square whole square from there, if you write AB by PQ, then you know this side square root will come. Under square root we write 625 by 256. Is it? Now what are you getting? AB by PQ equal to square root of 625 square root of 625 is that 25, and square root of 256 is 16. Here we can write, what was the question? PQ by AB. To find PQ by AB, you write this ratio PQ by AB. So PQ is 16, use this as numerator, and AB is 25, use this as denominator. So PQ by AB equal to 16 by 25. This became the answer. In question number 2C, if area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC equal to 256 by 441 and PR equal to 12 centimeter, then find AC. Our way of solution will be the same. It is better if you follow the same way of solution. We write at first area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC. Then this will be the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. PR is the side of triangle PQR and AC is the side of triangle ABC whole square. We take these corresponding sides. One information for you, we take the ratio of corresponding sides as per the given informations. If PR and AC, these two sides are mentioned in the question, it means PR and AC are the corresponding sides. PR is the side of PQR, so I used as the numerator, and AC is the side of triangle ABC, so I used as the denominator. Now, implies that area of triangle PQR is 256 by area of triangle ABC 441 equal to the value of PR is given, that is 12 centimeter, and by AC this much whole square. Implies that if we write only 12 centimeter by AC, what I have done? I have omitted this whole square. So this side square root will come. We will write under square root 256 by 441. It means 12 centimeter by AC is equal to 16 by 20, this is 21. Now in this part, this is continued here, we draw the line. In this part of solution, we go through the cross multiplication, then we get 16 AC equal to 21 into 12 centimeter by cross multiplication. Therefore, AC equal to 21 into 12 centimeter by 16. So what are we getting? 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12. So this became 63 by 4 centimeter, that is equal to 4 1 is 4, 23, 4 5 is 20. If you find in decimal, 30 is coming there, 4 7 is 28, 24 5s are 20. 15.75 centimeter is the length of AC. That is the answer.